I'm going to show you guys how to use this template to create your own newspaper title for our project. So you'll see I've outlined it with everything you need for your newspaper, with a title, the year, slogan, a placeholder for 2 articles, 2 images, and captions. Obviously, if you want to adjust yours, you have that ability to do so, but this is just a kind of starting off point for you. And so the first thing you'll probably want to do is write your article. So where you see this article, I already have this red box. I'm going to right click and click Edit Text. This is going to give me the ability to change out the text here with my own article on West Africa Trans-Saharan trade. And so you feel free to play around with this. If you want to change the font, if you want to change the size, you have that ability. So that's where you'll put your article. And then when you're done, you're going to hit check and it'll change the text here for you. From the other tutorial too, you probably remember how we use images and how we get images into our Scribus documents. And with this X, when you see that, all you need to do is double click and it'll pull up images for you to insert. And then from the other tutorial, you should know how to adjust that to fit your needs. So that's pretty much the basic kind of overall tutorial. Between this one and the image tutorial, you should be able to create your own newspaper articles. Let me know if you have any questions.